Good morning students. In today's video you are going to see representation of a real number on the number line. Representation of a real number on the number line. How to represent a real number on the number line? Representation of real number on the number line means real numbers means you will have rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. So first of all we will see how to represent a irrational number on the number line. In the irrational numbers means root 2, root 3, root 5. How to represent root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line? I will explain you. Here a diagram is given, so I will explain you properly by taking another page. So try to concentrate. So how to represent a rational number on the number line, irrational number on the line? For example, if I take root 2 on the number line, for representing root 2 on the number line you will have to draw a number line first, right? With the scale you have to draw, everyone. Then after drawing the number line root 2, then you will have to take 0, 1, 2. Then from 0 to 1 the distance is 1 unit, we know that. Then again at 1 you just draw a 90 degrees line for 1 centimeter. You draw a line like this and you take only 1 centimeter of that. How much you will have to take? 1 centimeter. Now join this 0 and this point. This point is there, right? This end and this 0 also you join. These two you join. If I join, you will get a line like this. So we know very well this is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. So x, if I take this one, x square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. So x square is equal to 2 will come. So x is equal to root 2. X is equal to what? Root 2. So this length is root 2. So x is equal to root 2. So what is that? X is equal to root 2. That means you can say this is root 2. This is root 2. Now I wanted to represent this root 2 on the number line. What I wanted to do, this root 2 on the number line. To do that, what we do means from 0 as center, use the compass. 0 as center, using the compass you just draw an arc. This is the value of root 2 on the number line. What is this? This is the value of root 2 on the number line. This is root 2. Now if I wanted to represent root 3 on the number line, what is my next number? Root 3. Root 3 on the number line when I wanted to represent. So just to represent root 3 on the number line, first of all you will have to draw root 2. Root 2 you will have to draw. First draw the number line. First we will have to draw the number line. So just draw the number line like this. After drawing the number line, then you just take 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 on the number line. After taking 0, 1, 2 on the number line, first I am drawing root 2. Once again I am explaining root 2. Try to concentrate how to put root 2 on the number line. At 1, it is 1 unit, you know very well. At 1 centimeter perpendicularly you have to take 90 degrees angle. So this length is 1, this length is 1, these two lengths are 1. If I join these two, this is root 2. This is root 2. You will have to use the compass for drawing it now. So it is 0. From 0 as center, just draw an arc like this using root 2 radius. This is root 2. What is this? Root 2. That is root 2. The green one explanation is root 2. Now I wanted to represent root 3 on the number line. To represent root 3 on the number line, what you will have to do, at root 2 draw 1 centimeter line. At root 2 what you will do? Draw 1 centimeter line. And then join 0 with that. Then this is 1 and this length is how much? Root 2. So root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 3. So that means this length will be root 3. What is this length? Root 3. So now again using the compass at 0 as center, on 0 you put the compass and draw an arc like this. This is root 3. This is what? Root 3. This is root 3. Like that I was explained, root 3. The diagram was very clear in the notes which I was given also. So this is root 3. Like this the process I am explaining how to draw root 3. Next, how to draw root 5. To draw root 5, first of all you will have to take number line. First of all you will have to take number line. It is 0, it is 1, 2. And then to draw root 5, you will draw a 1 centimeter line here. This is 2 centimeter. You know very well 2 square plus 1 square is how much? This is 1 and this is 2. So 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 5. That means this will be root 5. What is this? This is root 5 using Pythagoras theorem. Now from on 0 you have to put the compass, draw the arc like this, draw the arc like that. Then you get on 0, put the compass and draw the arc. Then you get root 5 on the number line. Like that root 5 we can represent. Like for example, if we wanted to put root 10 on the number line, root 10 on the number line means, if I wanted to put root 10 on the number line means 10 can be written as 3 square plus 1 square. So take 3 on the number line, up to 3 you take 3 on the number line, 3. So this is 3 units, here 1 unit you draw, and then join this to, this is root 3, this length is root 3, 0 as center, draw an arc, then this is root 10. What is this? Root 10. Like that you can represent any irrational number on the number line which is on in the form of square root integer, square root natural number, means like this we can do. If it is a irrational number, if it is given, next was the explanation for this diagram. There was AC is equal to BC is equal to PQ is equal to RS is equal to 1 centimeter was taken. What was taken here? AC is equal to, the diagram is here, AC is equal to CR is equal to RS is equal to ST is equal to 1 centimeter. They are each 1 centimeter unit you will have to take. Then you will have to take this BC, PR, RS also 1 centimeters you will have to take. Sorry, I'm just, once again I am just taking back and I am explaining, listen carefully. AC is 1, BC is 1, PR is 1, RS is 1. Then after that you construction, you start on doing construction. This is root 2, then this is root 2 because compass will do. And at root 2 1 centimeter you have taken, and then this is root 3. At root 3 again 1 centimeter you will have to take, then root 4 is jaruri nahi, root 4 is not required. For root 5 it is yes 2 centimeter. So because RS also 2 centimeter. Then at here it is joined, no? This is root 5, this is root 5, like that. Now explanation also given here. I try to go through the explanation. Pythagoras theorem was used in many places. Now visualize how to visualize 2.37 on the number line. To represent 2.37 on the number line, look at the diagram very carefully. First one number line was taken 2 to 3. Between 2 to 3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 was taken. Okay. After that, what happened? 2.37 we needed to represent. What we needed to represent? 2.37. So to represent 2.37, it is in between 2.3 and 2.4. It is in between 2.3 and 2.4. So at 2.3 and 2.4, magnify it. Means we have extended, we have zoomed from between 2.3 2.4. One line segment is there, right? That one was here. Okay. Then after magnifying 2.3 and 2.4, then you get, see, between 2.3 2.4 again 2.31 32 34 35 36 37 38 39 2.4 will come. So we need 2.37. This is the number 2.37, underline and just show it. 2.37 got visualized. If it is 2.378, that means it is 2.378 means it is in between 2.37 and 2.38. Means again you will have to visualize. For example, you wanted to denote 2.378. 2.378 will be between these two. So you will have to visualize again. You have to draw. Again you have to put 2.37 here, 2.38 here, again 2.371, 372, like that you will have to put. You can visualize like this way. So that way you can visualize a rational number which is converted into decimal form. You can visualize on the number line. Next, visualization of a rational number which is non-terminating repeating decimal, 4.7 bar. What is this? 4.7 bar. Just 4.7777 you write, and rounding off you do 4.78 to the 2 decimal places you round off, or 3 decimal places. If it is 3 decimal places, 4.778, truth of 4.78. Truth of very easily you will get it. Again 4.78 you can represent using the number line in the way I explained before. Once again I will explain how to represent that on the number line. See, 4.7 bar we needed. What we needed? 4.7 bar, which is 4.777 and so on, which is equal to 4.78. I will represent 4.78 on the number. For example, for that, first of all, you will have to draw the number line. 4.78 is needed, na? So first to take 4 and 5, because it is in between 4 and 5. It is in between 4 and 5. 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4.1, 4.2, like that you take 4.78, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one you should magnify. This is 4.7. This is 4.8. Again divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4.78. This is 4.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 4.78. Like that you can represent 4.78 on the number line. Hope you understand how to represent a terminating decimal, non-terminating, repeating decimal on the number line. Now it is a root over a decimal number. How to represent root over decimal number, root 7.5 on the number line. It's a big process for this one. To do this one, the necessary things we needed, scale and compass is compulsory. Compass is required, scale and compass. How to represent root 7.5 on the number line. Look at the board again. Root 7.5 on the number line we needed. What we needed? Root 7.5. Carefully listen. How to represent root 7.5 on the number line. That first thing is just 7.5 plus 1. 7.5 plus 5. So to represent 7.5 root, square root on the number line, the first thing is draw 7.5 centimeter line. It is how much? 7.5. You have to use the scale. And then 1 centimeter you add here. How much centimeter you have to add? 1 centimeter. This is 1 only. Then 7.5 plus 1 is 8.5 centimeter. So with compass from here and here you put and identify the midpoint. What is this point? Midpoint. So how to do the midpoint means just from the compass, you just using the compass, perpendicular bisector if you draw, then this midpoint will come. With this put O, and this is A, this is B, this is C. You take whatever the points you can take according to your wish. With O as center, OA as radius, draw a semicircle like this. Hope you understand up to semicircle. What we have to do first? Again I will explain. First 7.5. Next 1. This is A, B, C. Next perpendicular bisector. Taking more than half from A and from C, both the sides of AC segment arcs you have to construct. They can intersect at O. This is perpendicular bisector. This is midpoint. O. What is this point? O. With O as center, draw the semicircle. Draw the semicircle. At B, you just draw 90 degrees angle like this. 90 degrees angle means first semicircle, then 3 equal parts like this. You have to draw 90 degrees. Then with compass only it is also. Then it is with scale. Then it meet at one point. Na? This is B, this is P. This BP length is nothing but root 7.5. That means if B is 0, if this is 1, if you extend this number line, so BP can be plotted on this like this. How to plot? BP can be like this. BP can be plotted. See, this is root 7.5 on the number line. In this way we can represent 7.5 on the number line. Hope you understand how to represent root 7.5 on the number line also. Next, now rationalizing factor. What is rationalization actually? If it is, for example, you take a root A into root A. When you multiply root A into root A, what will you get? Root A into root A? A, because root A whole square, square and root cancel, A will come. So that means it is nothing but a irrational number we are making to rational number by multiplying itself. Similar way, if I multiply a plus root b and a minus root b, I get using a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus root b whole square. So, it is a square minus root cancel b. Now, there is no root here, this is also a rational number. Similar way, root a plus b into root a minus b, if I do also, I get a minus b, because root a square is a, root a square will come. What is root a square? A, root b square b. So, a minus b. That means rationalization is nothing but multiplying two irrational numbers, you get a rational number. Multiplying two irrational number, you get a rational number. So, that means now we will have to understand rationalizing factor of root a is root a. Rationalizing factor of a plus root b is a minus root b. Rationalizing factor of root a plus root b, root a minus root b. Similar way, if I ask you what is the rationalizing factor of root a minus b, root a minus root b, then you should say a plus root b. What is the rationalizing factor of root a minus root b? Root a plus root b, vice versa also you have to take it. Next, now especially this rationalization process we use for finding the rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator, rationalize the denominator of 12 plus root 3, 12 by root 3. So, what is the denominator? Root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3, so that denominator becomes root 3 into root 3, 3. Numerator is 12 into root 3, 12 root 3. Numerator is 12 into root 3, 12 root 3. So, 3 1s are 3 4s are, you get 4 root 3 as the answer. This is rationalizing the denominator of 12 by root 3. Not only like this, any problem is given, you can rationalize. See, the rationalize the denominator of 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So, what is the denominator? 2 minus root 3. So, multiply and divide with 2 plus root 3. Multiply and divide with 2 plus root 3. So, that you get 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square minus root 3 square, which is 4 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3. So, that is again you have to expand this one, 2 plus root 3 whole square by a square plus b square plus 2ab formula, a plus b whole square formula. Then after simplification you get 7 plus 4 root 3 after rationalizing. Here the denominator is nothing is there, means it is 1, because 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the denominator become a rational number, hence the denominator got rationalized. A similar way, one more example. Simplify root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 or write in the form of a plus root b. Anyway, they can ask simplify or write it in the form of root a plus root b. Same way, root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root t. Whenever they ask a simplification, when you find out the denominator is a irrational number, rationalize the denominator with rationalizing factor root 3 plus root 2, multiply and divide. Then you get same process which I explained before. A plus b whole square formula will be applied for this one. Again, see, a plus b whole square formula, it is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So, very important formula which I am using here and there every time. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square formula we are using every time. So, denominator when I am rationalizing also same time I am using a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab will come, right. So, after simplification you get 5 plus 2 root 6. So, whenever they ask simplify also, whenever they ask the simplify questions also, you should rationalize the denominator if the denominator is a irrational number. Understood, right? So, this is the way 5. Now, they are asking to write a plus root b format, a plus root b format. What they are asking? A plus root b format. Na? So, to do a plus root b format, we got 5 plus 2 root 6. So, 2 can be sent inside the square by writing 4 into 6. 4 6 is 24. 5 plus 2 24. It is equal to a plus root b. So, how I got 2 root 6 is equal to root 24 means the 2 can be sent inside as 4, because square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Into inside 1 6 is there. 4 into 6, it is root over 24. Understood? Now, laws of exponents which are there in 8th standard itself. Laws of exponents. What are the laws of exponent? Which is a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Bases are equal, bases are same and multiplied, then exponents must be added. Bases are same and divided, then exponents must be subtracted, remember, okay. And the next one is a power m whole power n is a power m into n. When it is a power m whole power n, what is it? A power m n. Multiplication I have to do this too. Like if it is a square whole cube, how to write? A power 6, which is a power 6 because 2 into 3 is 6, okay. Next formula, next law, a power m whole power, a power m into b power m is ab whole power m. For example, 2 square into 3 square is there. I can write it as 2 into 3 whole square because square is there for both 2 and 3. But if it is different exponents are there, I cannot use this formula. Same exponents, then ab whole power m you can write. And one more, a power minus n means 1 by a power n. The denominator you can write a reciprocal, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. For example, 3 power minus 2 value is 1 by 3 square. What is 3 square value? 3 square is 3 into 3. What is 3 square means? 3 into 3, which is 9. So 1 by 9, okay. Next, if it is anything power 0 is 1, it is very important, but a should not be equal to 0 and 1 condition, please, okay. A power 0 is equal to 1 because 2 power 0 if you find it is 1, 3 power 0 it is 1, 4 power anything power 0 is 1, but a should not be equal to 0 and 1 condition. Later you will understand why a cannot be taken 0 and 1, okay. Next, a power m is equal to a power n. Here bases are same, exponents must be equated when it is an equation like this, m is equal to m n. Here also a not equal to 0 minus 1 condition. So a power m is equal to b power n, then a equal to b, m and n are not equal to 0, then only. So what is the next thing? A power m is equal to b power n, a is equal to b. A power m is equal to a power n, bases are same, exponents equal. Exponents are same. Here the thing is exponents are same, it is b power m. Please change in your notebooks everyone. A power m is equal to b power m, then a is equal to b, okay. So next, some example questions were given here. Example, find 32 power 3 by 5 in a simple answer. 32 power 3 by 5 means 32. How to write? Taking LCM method. 32, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. So how many 2s? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So it is 2 power 5. It is 2 power 5. Okay. So next thing is, wait a minute everyone. Okay, good. 2 power 5 whole power, 2 power 5 whole power 3 by 5. 5 and 5 got cancelled. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. Like that we can do the problems. Hope you are all understand what I explained. The questions which I have taken are easy to understand, and also the way I was explained also, I think you will get it, you understand it. So in these hard times, the sources available for you must be utilized properly and decently, and also you will have to do lot of hard work you will have to do, and you should not go outside of the home. Sit at home, study at home. Whatever the works you are doing, do at home only. Any doubts are there regarding studies about mathematics of class 9th, I'll be taking care of that. So you can approach me, you can message me. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself everyone. Okay, thank you very much.